Alright, this is an elevator at, oh, this one's going down. Oh, whoa, don't close on me. L. Set that to L. Alright. There we go. This is an elevator. These are the elevators at the, one of the convention center parking garages, Center City, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I believe these are Kone. You can see some of Center City at night. There's Independence Hall, I believe. You can sort of see the clock too. My camera will focus on it. Very nice view. This also serves as Trader Joe's. It's really red. You can sort of see the LEDs. Go down to L. Close it up. Oh wow, that 10 is like punched in. It sort of looks like PQ for the 8. These are traction. You can sort of see a nice view out into the city right there. But this opens right into the lobby. Go back up to P10 if no one's here. Good. There's the lobby. P10. Close it up. Oh, sorry.
How you getting there?
You going up?
Yeah.
What floor? 3?
Yeah.
Nice elevators.
Yeah.
You have a nice night.
You too, man. Take it easy.
I will. 10. Oh shoot, my camera got caught in it. This is a very nice view of the city at night. I'm not sure what that building is right there, but here we are at P10. Let's send this to L. Oh, that one lights up red. I'll try and take the other one down. Sort of see the red LEDs if my camera will focus on them. There's a window, a valuable sign if my camera will focus on it. And there's Market Street, I believe. Yeah. There's a traffic light. Very nice view of the city at night. That lantern's vandalized a bit right there. Landed at L. Nice elevators. I really like the yellow finish on these. Now this opens, this one's more busier. And that's gonna be it.